marine phytoplankton are microscopic organisms that produce more than half of the oxygen that we breathe. They also are the foundation for the marine food web that supports everything from tiny fish all the way up to large whales. Well, some of these phytoplankton produce toxins that can sicken or even kill humans that consume certain types of seafood. We've largely learned to manage that risk in our waters.
But climate-driven warming is leading to the appearance of new toxic species in places where they have not been seen before. We don't yet understand this movement enough to effectively manage this evolving risk. This problem is particularly important given that society is relying more and more on the oceans as a sustainable food source.
One example of this movement is a tropical species that produces toxins that accumulate in fish. This species is moving north, yet we don't understand how quickly this movement is going to happen or how prevalent this species is going to become. So PICES, in collaboration with the Japanese Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries, has established a new program in Indonesia where this organism is found. It is hoped that by studying that organism there, we can learn what factors control its establishment in new coastal areas. What we learn there will help us deal with this emerging risk of these and other toxic invasive marine species.